It's been an incredibly windy day along the southern and southeastern coastline, with a cold front moving over the southern part of South Africa, also bringing in mostly cloudy weather and some rainfall with it. In the northeast, we've had sizzling hot weather throughout Saturday, and with that we've had a few cumulus clouds forming in the afternoon, and because of that we're still keeping a slight chance of thundershower activity in the forecast on Saturday evening. Most of the rainfall is expected along the south coast though, with that chance of rain then spreading up the east coast as the cold front moves over the eastern part of the country, with cloudy and wet weather forecast for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld on Sunday. And with that, we're also expecting cooler conditions, with those daytime highs dropping significantly from today. Over the interior, though, we're expecting lots of sunshine with warm maximum temperatures. On our rainfall probability map for tonight, you'll see the highest chance of rainfall along the south coast as the cold front moves over that part of the country, and then it spreads a 40% chance of rain up the east coast, with a slight chance of thundershowers in the northeast. In Bloemfontein tonight, we can expect fine and dry weather with a minimum temperature of 4 degrees, with a southwesterly wind even gusting up to 30 kilometers per hour. And tomorrow we're expecting a light to moderate southerly wind with a high of 22 degrees and fine and dry conditions with a sunny Sunday in store. Now, we've had that very windy weather, particularly along the eastern Cape Coast, with strong gale southwesterly winds expected as we head into Saturday evening. That southwesterly wind gusting along the KwaZulu-Natal coast mainly on Sunday morning, and we're also expecting the wind speeds to pick up again along that south coast, but with stronger winds forecast as we head further offshore. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum of 11 degrees for Johannesburg, in the mid-teens along the KZN coast, as well as for Mbombela and Pretoria, 7 for Uppington and Vredendal, freezing for Sutherland, and around 10 for much of the western and eastern Cape. You'll see how those daytime highs are cooler across much of the country on Sunday, 20 degrees for Durban, East London, Graaff-Reinet and R, in the mid-20s for Kimberley and Uppington, 19 for Cape Town, but still in the low 30s for Gauteng. Our extended forecast for Monday still shows cool and wet weather for Mbombela at 18 degrees, with some rain for Port Elizabeth at 21, but with warmer weather in the west. And then on Tuesday we can expect high cloud over much of the country, with some rain still for Mbombela at 22 degrees and a partly cloudy and warm day along the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast.
News that moves. eNCA.com.